Hello and welcome back to the Binary Options Starter Kit. In this video we're going to discuss the introduction to trading binary options. And if you are not familiar with trading binary options and you just heard it was a pretty cool thing to do, we're just going to introduce the concept of trading binary options along with a few tips. Okay. So starting from square one, you need a binary options broker. Which one is going to be a question many of you have. You can see in our resource section or join our newsletter, and that's where you should already be in our newsletter, but if not, you need to go back to the original site and you need to join the newsletter. We're going to be reviewing and updating you with information on binary options brokers. And this is very important because the industry is changing so rapidly, and it's it's survival of the fittest right now. These brokers, whoever performs now can position themselves for a huge potential future. But those who falter, who don't have their stuff together, or who change the deals on their customers, they don't hold their integrity well, then they're just going to get a bad name and they're not going to last. Okay, and so we're seeing who behaves as such. We communicate with several brokers, and we just watch. We've already seen some bad behavior by some brokers, so we weeded them out. No one has time for that, So we will hold the brokers' feet to the fire, quote unquote. We understand that they have to figure things out, and as they transition to an exchange. Okay, and this is where we want them to be. We want the brokers to be healthy because binary options offers us a really neat edge in trading, and these brokers need to be able to be financially sound. Okay, just like the markets in the USA. All right, the options markets there very sound, very stable, and that's just because they've grown over the years. And the more I think the binary options broker can have a much greater accelerated maturity or maturing cycle versus the vanilla options brokers in the USA with the CBOE, for example, in that first of all, options trading is already very well accepted and popular. It wasn't well accepted nor popular back when the options exchanges and the CBOE were establishing themselves, okay, from the 70s basically on. Then, but options is accepted. Now, binary options, this is kind of a fusion between what's happened in the Forex markets of the past, about 6-7 years, 8 years, and with options. And the point is that popularity is already exploding. This is the easiest way to trade and potentially most profitable way to trade if you have a good trading system. And of course we have good trading systems, real ones, solid ones to offer you. And you can find that information from your resource section or from our websites. So let's just go give you a picture of binary options trading. Now this is a site called Trade Smarter. Okay, it offers, we're in the 10-minute lockout period now, but this site offers a way to practice trade. Of course, these guys have a regular brokerage for binary options trading, but for example, all we do when there's live trading, you have a drop-down box. You pick your position size, your dollar amount. In this case, they offer $30 to $1,000 per trade. and you pick your position size. When it's time to trade, you hit the call or the put button, and that's it. Bam. Oh, then you have to confirm your order. That's it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to find the symbol, strike price. You don't say buy to close, but sell or buy to open, sell to open. You don't have to do any of that stuff. You just pick the money, and you hit the call or put button. It's simplified, and this is what people want. Look, I've been trading in the markets, investing in trading for 26 years, and even I like binary options trading because, first of all, it's simple. I can't stand all that extra clerical work and putting in the stinking order. I mean, it always drives me nuts. So, and then also, it's not, click, simple, bam, you hit, when you need to get in, you get in, like for a market order, for example. Then when you, you pick your position size, et cetera, et cetera. But the thing is, about binary options is eventually after you start trading it, you'll notice that you don't have to worry about the entries. And all of a sudden, half of your work is taken care of. You don't have to sit there watching it, for the rest of the hour because it doesn't matter. You can't get out. Okay? I mean, that may sound bad, but it's actually good because it forces us to enter well. And this helps us in our regular trading. All right? If we start thinking of our entry before our exit, if we start thinking of our exit before our entry, okay, our ultimate goal for the position, we reframe the mind and we shift our focus, even though it's maybe ever so slightly, we shift it over into thinking out into the future more and anticipating more. So all of a sudden, notice that accuracy thinking increases, and that is very valuable. That's why it's very good to trade these binary options. Once you start understanding the profit factor of binary options, how to actually make money from them, this will be great for your own trading. In fact, I've developed some really excellent systems after I developed these systems for binary options because I had a mind shift. All of a sudden, I saw new things. Okay? I saw new things. And that is very, 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 very valuable. And maybe a couple more varies. And each one of those varies, you can add another 0 to the trading account with. Okay? So, very valuable, all right? Very, 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 very valuable, however many that was. But it's extremely valuable, and if you think ahead, if you have a visionary mind, then you will start to see and understand, and you will definitely get the systems and start to study them and see how they can also be applied to regular trading. Okay? Let's get back over here. So, that's all there is to trading binary options. They expire hourly. The standard is they expire hourly. Okay, they expire hourly. Some brokers have 30-minute binaries and 15-minute binaries. I heard someone's trying to roll out a 10 and a 5. I don't know. They're experimenting, okay? And they're coming out with new variations of binary options, such as barrier options. Look, folks, one at a time. If it's good enough, we'll make a system for barrier options. Okay, but binary options, there's tons of opportunity to master right here, and I want you to master it. Okay, take advantage of this. Not only will this be great right now in binary options, this maybe more importantly, will help you in your regular trading. All my courses and systems will. We teach you the magical money management systems and the pitfalls to avoid and exactly how to trade a system. Okay, because you can understand in your brain how to trade a system, but your insides, your emotions need to accept the trading system lifestyle. And once you do that, now you can start trading as a business. And now all options have become open for you, and incredible possibilities and income become open to you. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up, and we'll just move on to the next one.